नमस्कार विद्यार्थियों, स्वागत है आप लोग का उत्कर्ष अर्थिंग क्लासेस के इस ऑनलाइन प्लेटफॉर्म पे, इस ऑनलाइन यूट्यूब चैनल के ऊपर। आज का सेशन सफलता की कहानी सफल अभ्यर्थी जुबानी के अंदर हम आपसे एक ऐसे स्टूडेंट से मिलवाएंगे, अभिरामी, जिन्होंने 176 नॉर्सेट 10 के अंदर 176 रैंक अचीव की है। तो क्या उनका स्ट्रगल पॉइंट रहा और उन्होंने क्या क्या अपनी ड्यूरिंग द स्टडी फेज उन्होंने क्या क्या स्ट्रगल पॉइंट देखे, तो सभी आज के सेशन के अंदर डिस्कस करने वाले हैं। तो सबसे पहले कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन टू यू अभिरामी।
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much.
कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशन फ्रॉम द एंटायर उत्कर्ष नर्सिंग क्लासेस।
Yes, sir. I would like to thank every single one and the entire team of Utkarsh classes, sir.
Very
Thank you
good.
so much for being with me along this journey.
What rank did you achieve and how happy are you with this result?
I achieved All India rank 176, sir, in NOSA 10, and I don't know how to say in words my happiness. I'm just beyond happy, so happy to the point I don't get words at the moment, sir. I'm just so happy. Every single hardships and every sleepless night, I feel finally it gave me the moment of peace, the moment of success, which I was longing for every single moment.
I'm just asking about a simple question. When you
Okay,
just seen your result in the list, how
Yes,
can
sir.
you feel?
I felt like my heartbeat stopped for a moment while I was checking the result. While I was typing my roll number to search, literally my heart was beating in my throat. And as soon as I saw the result, I felt like 2 minutes I went into asystole. Then my heart started beating again out of happiness. That is how I felt.
Very good. When did you start your preparations?
So I started my preparation 6 months back, sir. To be exact, it was October 2025. That is when I started preparation. Before that, actually, this is my first attempt for NORCET, sir. NORCET 10 is my first attempt. Before that, I was doing my MSc nursing.
Very good.
I was a student, a regular student for MSc nursing. So after completing my BSc, I straight away went to work in a hospital for 1 year. After completing that 1 year experience, I moved to a regular MSc course. I was studying MSc nursing in psychiatry nursing. So that psychiatry nursing course was completed by August end, and October 1, 2025 is when I started preparation for NORCET, sir. So it is a period of 6 months. So I am more than happy that I could achieve this much. I could come this much in 6 month time period in my first attempt.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. Really, it's a really appreciable thing that you are crack a NORCET 10 in first attempt. I really appreciate it to you. Just
Thank you.
simple questions. What was your daily study timetable like? What
So
was
for,
your daily
first-
study timetable like? Because this is a very important for aspirants.
Yes, sir. So first, my timetable was different for first 3 months and next 3 months, sir.
Very
So for the first 3 months, at the very starting, I thought I cannot push myself to the extreme in the first itself because I will get tired when this journey is over. Because this is not a short time thing like college semester. We will prepare for 1 month, then give the exam. But this is not like that. This is a long journey. If I put all my energy fuel in the first 3 months itself, I'll be drained. That's what I thought. So for first 3 months, I studied like only 8 to 9 hours per day.
Very good.
Other times I was, so in the single attempt, the very first day I started, I was able to put myself only to 3 to 4 hours. Then gradually I increased it from 6 hours, 7 hours, and first 3 months I managed to study 8 to 9 hours per day. So for the next 3 months, I gradually increased that more than how I am competent. I increased it to like 12 hours to 13 hours per day. I was literally sitting the whole day except the time I took break. By the month of February and March, except the time I took break or eat, I was literally sitting in front of book and system for the entire day. So, but I made sure I had sufficient period of gaps in between because if my mind get tired and I kept on pushing, nothing would go inside my mind and that is just a waste of time. So I made sure I get sufficient gaps in between, scheduled gaps.
Yeah.
And afternoon time, after lunch, I made sure I get 1.5 hours of sleep every single day after lunch because that peak time after lunch, I don't think my brain will be functioning so efficiently. And that sleep and the afternoon time was like a reset time. So evening time I'll be feel like it is another morning where I can start fresh,
Very
and I had my mind so fresh because of that rest period in between.
Very good. I think you are at truly struggle point because it is a great achievement that you cracked the Norset in the first attempt. I'm just
Yes,
asking
sir.
about what was your family's contribution to your success?
My family ran along with me literally. So for starting time, they were like so scared that will I make it or not? Because this is my first attempt. I don't even have experience of how NOSAT works. I was literally studying as a regular student, and I only was accustomed to the college schedule. I don't know how people keep running in NOSAT. I didn't have any idea. So they were as scared as me. What if it didn't work? What if so many what ifs were there running in their mind also? But as they saw me struggling hours in front of the book and in mobile, getting tired, losing weight, everything, they started to manifest along with me that this time it will happen. And they never pressured me that you should
Very,
clear it in this attempt result. They were along with me and they said, now or sometime it will happen because you're working hard, you're giving your best.
बिल्कुल.
Either now or sometime it will happen. That is what they said. But they also said that we know by our heart it will happen this time only. One of my friends was also with me all through the journey. My close friend was All India rank 44 holder in NOSAT 9.
Very good.
He only told me about Utkarsh nursing classes and all. His name is Shiv Kumar, and he introduced to me to. He advised me to see Utkarsh classes. So basically, I am from Pondicherry state. My mother tongue is Tamil. I'm not good with Hindi, but he told the Hindi and everything will be in Utkarsh will be simple. They will write and teach at the same time. So all the classes, all the test series, everything he introduced me, and my friend and family ran along with me. They were motivating me that this time you will achieve.
Well,
Don't think next. Don't think another one time. You keep in your mind, think that this is your last attempt so that you will succeed in this attempt itself. That is how they motivated me.
definitely. And what role did Utkarsh play in your journey?
Actually, all the teachers, the enthusiasm in their voice and the motivations in between classes, the clear-cut PYQs repeatedly, that was like a fuel to us. No matter how many hours we sit in front of the book, when we meet our teachers,
Right.
when we interact with our teachers, the way their voice, it keeps motivating them. Even in exam hall, also for so many questions, the teachers who said those lines, it literally echoed in my mind with their voice and their modulation.
Very
So more than self preparation, we need to see a teacher's face so that we feel like we have a teacher, we have a guru who we can lean on, who we can trust,
Very
like
good.
that. So the trust is the main thing, I guess,
Very good.
which I got from the teachers.
Very good, beta. What special things should students do to achieve a good rank? What special things should students do to achieve a good rank?
I think a student should believe in two things. First of all, hard work is okay, but if we keep working in the wrong direction, then that is going to end up in vain. We have to have a clear plan. The students should trust themselves and their teachers.
Exactly.
First of all, they should not keep doubting themselves. Everybody will have demotivation. Everybody will have period of depression, self-doubt. But their confidence should be more than their doubts.
Very
Also, they should trust the teachers. So many students I see, they keep comparing coaching classes and wasting time in that. No matter which class we study, we should trust our teacher first of all. We should
exactly.
trust whatever they say. On whatever content they give, we have to be clear cut in that content first before running behind another content or from another friends or colleagues. I think we should
Exactly.
be confident in the teacher who is in front of us and ourselves also. Self doubt will be there for every single student, but at some point we have to overcome the self doubt to achieve. We should have confidence in us also. That's what I think.
What suggestion would you like to give to aspirants who are currently preparing?
So I advise them to not waste time. So many students, even myself, one mistake I could have done and prevented myself from doing is wasting time. So in name of motivation, in name of motivation, we go outside, we take refreshment. It is necessary, but when it crosses the limit, when it goes beyond the need, it becomes a hindrance to ourselves. And also, so many students, they start running fast in the first. The
Right.
first 3 months they run fast, they run as much as they can, then they lose their motivation and energy. Then
Exactly.
the last 3 months,
बिल्कुल,
I
exactly.
advise them to keep up the pace. The pace we run is much important. First 3 months we have to be slow and steady.
Very
The
good.
next 3 months I advise them to pick up the speed. And by the time of exam, we have to be the real horse, I guess, so that we have to conserve our energy for the exam. Let not.
How many mock tests should be given by you per day average?
At least two, sir. I feel it is at least two. One prelims and one mains, at least. So for one mains will take 3 hours. Mains is actually 3 hours test, and prelims will take 1.5 hours. If we write fast, only for the practice sake, we may complete in both prelims and mains in like 4 to 5 hours. But I don't do prelims and mains in single attempt. If I do prelims morning, I will do mains evening. So one morning, one evening, at least 2 should be there for every single day. I did the same thing. For 6 months, there were no 0 days. I
Right.
did one prelims and one mains every single day.
Very
I have to practice at least 400 to 500 question every single day.
think about that. Time management is
For-
essential for crack NORCET exam.
In the exam hall, sir. So in the exam hall, for more than for mains, for prelims only, time management is so crucial, I think, because it keeps on ticking very little time. In that 18 minutes, you have to complete all the questions. So what we often do is we give priorities to the question we don't know.
Very
The questions which seem familiar, which we are thorough, we'll just answer it in few seconds and skip it. So I think that is where many students are making mistake. Even myself, in prelims and mains, I found after checking the answers after the coming out of the exam hall, I found I made mistake in the questions I was very familiar with.
Very
The
good.
question I was not familiar, I gave my time and I managed it well. So the answers came out correctly. And the questions I was familiar, I was little careless, I guess. So I made few mistakes. So time management is very crucial. We have to give equal amount of time to every single question
Exactly.
so that we won't run out of time.
चलो, थैंक यू सो मच अभिरामी, आपने हमको अपना अमूल्य टाइम दिया. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir. And thank you, Utkarsh Nursing classes. Every single faculty from there, I would like to convey my thanks. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Abhirami. Last,
Thank you, sir.
I'm just asking about a question, single question. Are you think that you get rank of 176? Really?
Actually, manifestation literally works. My manifestation was above 100. Above 100, my rank should fall, and that happened in real.
Very good.
Thank you,
Really
sir.
great salute बेटा आपको, और मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा.
Thank you so much, sir.
चलो, thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for this interview, for this chance. Thank you, sir.
Definitely. Okay.